Hi guys, today we're gonna unbox and review Wizard Fafnir.
Few moments later.
So, boboiin ko lang po siya guys. Boboiin ko.
A few moments later.
So, nakuha ko na po lahat ng parts kaya boboiin lang po natin. So, ito po yung tsura niya. Yung launcher naman ang bubuksan.
A few moments later.
At yung record niya kulay orange. Naman lang may Gabi namatay. At ito po yung launcher. Hindi po siya masyado straight kasi hindi ko pa po siya nabebend. Ito po ay Takara Tomy. Kaya, ito na ba yung first launch. At ito po si Wizard Fafnir. At marami siyang rubber sa gilid niya. Kaya i-test launch na po natin. 3, 2, 1, 2. Kaya ayan po, mabilis po yung ikot niya. Tsaka malakas po. So today magte-test battle na tayo. Ang kalaban ni Wizard Fafnir ay si Raizu. Take 2. 1 to 0. Take 3. Last stick. At nanalo si Wizard Fafnir. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment what do you think at this Wizard Fafnir. Bye.